So we are doing something a little different today. We're at the range. My boy Vane. Yeah, we're just gonna shoot. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little like range session here. Nothing crazy. Something I enjoy doing random, like here and there. Let's do some shooting.
You scared you'll miss?
Did it go inside his shirt?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we just wrapped it up. We are going to get some fun. That was fun.
Yeah, it was.
Cool session. So yeah, I'll bring you guys along. Just hang out with me and not fish today, I guess. So, drive! Why are we still waiting here?
Oh, I don't know.
Just kidding. Alright, but yeah, let's go eat fun, guys. I'll take you guys along.
Hey, how you drive again?
I don't know. So this is what somewhat I do when I'm not fishing, guys. I'm hanging out with this loser right here.
Hey, man. That makes you want too.
Yeah, it's just nice to take a break from you know, from fishing and being at the river sometimes or at the lake. So yeah, you guys can watch us drive and we'll just talk randomly. Alright, we're done talking, guys. My favorite place to go to is that FUD 124. It's right off of 108th Street. 124th Street? I don't know.
That's what it's called for 124.
I mean, but then it's kind of hidden, you know. Next to IHOP. So that's one of my favorite. If not that one, if I'm on the north side of town, which is Evie's, right?
Oh, Evie's, yeah.
Yeah, I love Evie. Evie is delicious. What makes it so good is that bone rib thingy, that steak. Beef. Sorry, I can't talk right now because we just came back from like at the shooting range. It was super fun.
Beef bone.
So, the beef bone, yeah.
The rib bone.
The rib bone with the broth and everything, it makes it super oily. Some days I love that oily FUD, and that's just what I prefer, I guess. Is that a deer? Oh no, that was a deer, bro. I was like, wow, that thing's huge. But yeah, we're gonna eat some FUD and just stick around. I'll see you guys out there.
Hey, who's driving?
Yeah, who's driving, dude? All right, made it to FUD 124 right there. This is the spot. Oh, thank you, gentlemen. Take over 3. Hey, just 2. Yeah. COVID.
I don't eat with this guy.
Anyway, guys, this is like my favorite place to go to. been coming here for a while, ever since they opened. I don't remember how long ago, maybe 70 years. But it's my favorite pho place, pho 124, Vietnamese pho, if you guys are wondering. It's delicious. You guys will see. Got one of these. Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, enjoy.
Want my tray?
Yes, please. You know what? You always. Alright, guys. Anyways, make sure you taste the raw fish. Always.
What was it?
Fresh. Tastes like butter.
Right.
Nice and fresh. Like the greens, put the greens in there. Oh yeah, my mom always taught me the greens in there. You don't put this stuff in there?
No, you could.
Oh my gosh.
On the green smell good.
There's something wrong with you.
I do at home, but not in the store. You take it.
I'm not taking this guy to eat pho next time. Show you guys what I got going on here. Look at that dish. Like that, guys. Yeah. There we go. There's another good piece right there. If I don't have that, no fat, it's not pho. You know pho is getting good when you're getting hot. Take your shirt off. Woo! That pho was good.
It's alright. Just has pretty good.
It's good. It's delicious. I'm gonna go to the store now. Gonna go get some braid for pan fishing. So yeah. This guy forgot how to drive already.
Yeah, I forgot.
It's my glasses.
Right here.
If I wear that, I would probably like get dizzy and drown and die.
How bad is the eye vision? Can't be that bad.
-3.
It might only made 0.25.
No,
Yeah. Right.
0.25. I have contacts on. Alright guys, so we're gonna go into Fleet Farm. Yeah, we're gonna go in there. I gotta pick up some bread and I'll show you. I can't bring the camera inside obviously, so I'll bring back the like I guess line and use some jigs if I do decide to pick some up, and we'll go from there. So yeah. So we made it back into the well, I want to make sure my mic is working. Testing 1 2 3. We made it back into the what is this? The shack garage. Something like that. As you guys can see, Bang is still back there. Like I said, no fishing today, but I did order this rod, right? I'm not associated with this company. I've been using them for a while now, maybe 3 years. I like somewhat of their rods, but I just wanted to treat myself and give me something that I been wanting, I guess, if that make any sense. And it's specifically for pan fishing. As you guys know, I love pan fishing, and I know a lot of you guys will say, why didn't I get the St. Croix Panfish rod series? I like the Legend series where they're like almost $400. Why? Because I don't know. Maybe because I didn't like the color of it. But that's a different topic we'll talk about like in the future. It took about like a week to get it, so I'm really excited to show you guys because it's panfish season, and let's get right into it. Oh yeah, it was behind me. You guys saw it the whole time. So by Dobbins. This is the. Let me just open it. Hold on. Go. That. Ooh. Okay. This is the 703. I want to make sure. I mean 701. Sorry. Yep, it's the 701. Oh my goodness! It is finally in my hand. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, guys. So let me show you guys real quick. Dobbins 701 SF. Okay. Show you guys the description right here. So this is rated for 4 to 10 pound tests. obviously the reason I bought it is for pan fishing and white bass fishing or walleye fishing, because I can fish comfortably 4, 6, or 8 pound. I probably won't fish 10 pound on here, but 4, 6, and 8 is what I'll be fishing on. Again, holy quality. Look at the quality of this rod. I don't know if it's going to zoom in as much because I'm inside the garage right now and Ving's in the background disturbing it. But I have the 703 and I love it. I just wanted something with more finesse, sensitive, right? Look at that. Everything that's built on here is like perfect, I think, from what I can see, from what I'm showing you guys at least. And the guides are not inside out, they're upside down. So, yeah, this rod feels amazing. It's not light like the St. Croix Panfish series, but it feels good to white bass fish, to cast for crappie, stuff like that. Like, it's light. It's not feather light, but it's light enough, basically. That's really cool. And I'm going to pair it up with the Okuma Helios SX. And that's going to go so perfect with it. Like, it's going to be amazing. Look at that. Look at that combo, guys. That is such a sweet combo. It sits on there perfectly.
Oh yeah.
That's sweet, man. Oh, dude. I'm like super stoked. Look at the color. It has the silver, the black accent, the orange accent on this rod right here. So that's the reason why I bought it, because I wanted a reel. I wanted a rod that would match this reel. This is the ultimate panfish setup right here. For casting for crappies, at least. I mean, I'm sure you can do like bobber stuff and light line stuff too. But Bing's back there making fun of me. But this is like amazing. This is so cool. Like, look at this. It's perfectly well balanced. And it sits perfectly. One finger, maybe? Look at that. That is so cool. I'm so ready to murder these panfish now. Aren't you, Ving?
Yeah.
Yeah, he likes panfishing too. But here, you come hold it. You hold it, and I gotta take this tag off so then it evenly balanced, okay? Isn't that sick?
Yeah, it's pretty light.
Yeah, it's it's not this light, because this is actually an actual panfish thin rod, right?
Yeah.
But I wanted something with backbone, right? If I'm fishing deeper water, fishing for white bass, doesn't it feel cool?
Yeah, it does.
Like it actually feels like quality
Sturdy,
built, sturdy rods. Like, it's amazing. You like? You do the like? Okay.
Did you hike it?
Again, this rod right here, I can bass fish with this. I can smalley fish with it. I can drop. It's rated for drop shots, rated for Ned rigs, rated for like lighter stuff basically. Wow, I don't know, dude. Like with this reel right here, the Okuma Helios SX. This is the 20, and it's perfect. Like, it's insane, dude. That is so cool. I gotta take these wrapper off. I don't know. I just want to take it off right now. Yeah, so we stopped at Fleet Farm, and I picked up this liner. A lot of you guys been asking me, even this guy. I tell him like 100 times, why you run away? Why aren't you sitting down? I need you in the background, dude. A lot of you guys been asking me, what kind of line do I use for panfish, right? Or white bass, walleye, whatever. The species that I make videos of, you know, because that's what I like doing. This is the line right here. This is J-braid, right? And I hear a lot of reviews that they break after a while, like after a couple outing or so. I personally have never had that problem. Why? It's because I also found out that people have been using lighter than 8, which is fine. You can use 8 pound for panfish or whatever. I mean, 6 pound, 4 pound, whatever that they make, the lowest that they go. But I found out that on a spinning reel, I think 8 pound is the most ideal line for you, okay? You don't have to go anything lower than that. This is like equivalent to 1 pound test. You probably can't even see it on the camera. So 8 pound to 10 pound is perfect for like pumping flies, fishing for white bass, crappies, you know, panfish, perch and stuff. And if you want to go heavier on a spinning reel or spinning setup, you can go, I say 15 to 20. 20 is max. I wouldn't go any more than that. I think he has 15 on his, and he fishes Sinkos and tubes and stuff like that just fine. Like little small swim baits, quarter ounce and stuff. In my opinion, 8 to 10 pound is perfect for you guys who are fishing, pumping flies, fishing bottom, casting smaller jigs, swim baits and stuff like that. The smaller stuff, 8 pound to 10 pound is all you need. Like, I'm putting 8 pound on this reel right here, and it's gonna fill up the entire spool because there's 150 yards on here, and a panfish is not gonna run 150 yards, so you'll be alright. Daiwa, braid, Grand, times X. Made in Japan. Alright? So, as you guys see in my recent video, I went drop shotting for panfish, and size 6 was just too big for me. Maybe because I didn't know how to deliver that performance. Like Brian, you guys know Brian, he's awesome. He's the best amazing pan fishing guy out there, and he could kill it on number 6. I needed something smaller because I was just, I don't know, I feel like I was missing a lot of the bites, so I think 8 is perfect. So it really doesn't matter. I just like gold. You can use red too. Red is really good in dirty water, but gold is like my go-to color. So I thought I'd bring you guys along. Well, actually, Vane brought me along. We were just hanging out. We just didn't want to fish there. I mean, it's just so sunny, you know. We just went out, went to the range. Hopefully, you guys enjoy that. Like, you guys don't know, I enjoy like shooting at the range, right? I like shooting guns. I enjoy watching hunting. I used to hunt with my dad all the time, and just haven't had that much time to go out and hunt. Because those of you who hunt understand how much time you need to hunt. Okay, you need at least a week to hunt. I can't just like, hey, let's go. It's not like fishing where I could just be like, all right, I'm just gonna go hunt and be successful at it. You have to use time. You have to be out there just about a whole week to really track, trace, and you guys know what I'm talking about. It's just a lot of work. I can't really like, you know, go out there like that. So, and if I have to, it's gonna be 3-4 hours away. Cause then I come back home, run some errands, and do family stuff. But anyways, yeah, went to the range. Picked up some stuff. Rod came in just in time. Might do some fishing tomorrow. Maybe I'll take this guy out and do some pan fishing. And we were just having a good time, you know, just like shooting whatever and just having fun. So you guys will see this setup in the future. I'm really excited about this setup. And until next time, I'll see you guys on the water. That guy's crazy.